DeLonghi Dinamica Automatic Coffee and Espresso Machine, TrueBrew, Iced Coffee, Burr Grinder Plus Descaling Solution, Cleaning Brush and Bean-Shaped Icecube Tray, Black ECAM 35020B. The TrueBrew process delivers smooth, full-bodied iced coffee by brewing at a lower temperature, pre-infusing and infusing the coffee over ice that's never watered down. Heat up time in less than 40 seconds with Italian 15-bar high-performance pump, and it takes only 40 seconds to heat up the machine and start brewing. Brew the freshest coffee with bean-to-cup brewing system and a breakthrough built-in steel Burr grinder. Enjoy the freshest cup of coffee every time. Integrated adjustable manual frother allows you to customize steam and foam levels for rich, creamy, long-lasting lattes and cappuccinos with no barista experience required. The adjustable steel Burr grinder has 13 setting options for a perfect grind of the whole beans. The simplest machine to clean, with a removable brew unit and dishwasher-safe drip tray, this machine takes half the time and cost to clean compared versus competitor models and without the use of chemicals. Beans container capacity, 10.6 ounce. Utilize DeLonghi specialized call center for help in setting up and maintaining your machine at 866-528-8323, Lat Best. Warranties may not apply to purchases from an unauthorized retailer. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.